Hi guys, in today's video I'll be talking about skills which can give you money in 2025, or skills that you should learn in case you want to make money online in 2025. In case you're new here, I am Sarah. I have been working online from home for the last 4 years, and on this channel I like sharing some small tips and tricks of making money from home. So the very first skill that you should have today if you want to make money online is social media management, and this is very easy. I know you've heard me talk about social media management, and yes, it is a thing. And also here in the Kenyan market, this is a very good skill. Guys, within a day on Instagram, I come across 2 or 3 companies or small businesses hiring social media managers. And what does that mean? There is a high demand for social media managers. And why? Because businesses may accept to go online today. Small businesses, big businesses are all operating online today, and that means they want a person to be handling their social media, to be updating, to be creating a strategy and all that. So how do you get started? Learn the skill. You can pay for a course or you can do it here on YouTube. I personally trained myself or learned how to be a social media manager here on YouTube, and you can still do it. And this is very good. You can earn anywhere between 10 to like 40 or 50,000 according to your target audience. As a beginner, of course, your target audience will be Kenyan, and Kenyans pay between 10, 15, 20,000 if it's a big company. But guys, don't accept to go full time. Just work remotely, just be a freelance. And if you're focusing on the US market, UK market, Canada, and those countries, you can make anywhere between maybe 250 USD, 3, 4, and some companies will pay even you 500 USD. So this is one of the best skills you should have in 2025. The second skill that you should have is writing. Everyone knows about online writing, academic writing, article writing, and I'll just put it together and say online writing. So what do you do, and how do you get started? Just decide what you want. Do you want academic or do you want article writing, and start from there. I personally, I am an academic writer. If you go through this channel, and especially on my YouTube shorts, you will find me marketing my services here. So this is my main marketing platform, and anyone can do it. So what happens? Start by one thing. I started with article writing because the person who introduced me into this industry was doing article writing. I went ahead and paid for a course, and I did academic writing, and I have never regretted taking that course because up to date I do academic writing. And how do you get started? Get the skill. If it's article writing, get a trainer to train you article writing. You can easily learn about article writing on ChatGPT, guys. SEO writing, anything on ChatGPT. If it's academic writing, you will need someone to show you how it is done. I have a very comprehensive academic writing course on my website, saradhuo.com, and I train everything about academic writing from start to the end. I'm going to put the link down on the description box. If you have someone around you who does it, it will be easy for them to show you how they do it. There are also other forms of writing, for example, CV writing, for example, resume writing, and these ones you can even get jobs here in the local market, only in the Kenyan market. So just know where you want to start, where to get jobs. For instance, you can easily get academic writing jobs on Fiverr, on Upwork, People Per Hour, and you can also buy an account. Just know where to get jobs. The next skill that you should learn if you want to make money online in 2025 is content creation, guys. The world of the digital era is moving very fast. Everyone is creating content. All businesses, from small businesses to huge businesses, want content, or they must create content for them to thrive and stay on top of the game. So they'll be searching for people to do content for them. You can start on your phone. I've seen people on TikTok who say they create content on their phone and they've been able to get gigs. For small businesses and even big businesses, teach yourself how to do content. transitions, how to edit, how to tap into the trending, such type of content, and market yourself. So for you to market yourself, you have to put yourself out there, put your work out there. You don't have to put your face. You can open a Faceness channel, a YouTube, a TikTok, a Facebook, or an Instagram, and showcase what you can do and attract businesses to hire you. This is very good, by the way. This is a very good one. The next skill, which has a connection to content creation, is editing. Now, video content is going viral. We have TikTok, we have YouTube Shorts, we have Reels on Instagram and Facebook. In all these social media platforms, videos are doing way better. And all businesses, again, influencers, just everyone needs to create videos. So video editing is very important. You can learn how to edit videos, small shorts videos, YouTube videos, or any other type of video. And guys, this is very good. For example, if you go on Fiverr and search for video editors, so many profiles are going to pop up and you will find people with up to 20 running orders. So what happens on Fiverr, you can easily tell when a person has an order. So you'll find them with 10, 25, 15 running orders. And what does this tell you? This is a good skill, and the demand is going to continue increasing because, again, we're not going to go back into the anti-digital era. Things will continue coming up. The demand will continue increasing as the technology upgrades, or as businesses are forced by these technologies to upgrade. This is very important. Content creation and video editing. Another skill is website management, e-commerce website management. Now, businesses have agreed to go online, and almost every business today is online, and they're on TikTok, they're on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and they're doing great. So the next big thing is going to be websites. Now, most of these businesses, they're not sure about websites and stuff. In the next few years, this is going to be a great thing. And guys, I'm talking this out of experience. I already have someone who manages my website, and it's not this Saradu. I have another e-commerce website, and I have someone who manages that. And where do you get the skills? Here on YouTube. I started doing it myself, and I learned here on YouTube. So what happens, you'll have someone create a website for you, and then have a fee. After creating that website, wanakuacha. So it's upon you to upload products. It's upon you to be changing the prices. For example, the buying product or the import fee was high, so you'll need to raise up the price of that product. So businesses will need people to be handling all that for them. And already there are people doing that. For example, in case of my business, this a person is already doing that for us. So this is another huge skill. And guys, note on this video, I'm not talking about those things like chatting to make money or something like commenting to make money. I have made such videos and even show you even the actual money that I made, but it's not something sustainable. The best thing about having a skill, for example, I paid for an academic writing skill, and up to date, I do such jobs. I do academic writing gigs. This is a skill that I'm going to move with in the next 10 years on something. In this video, I've talked about those specific skills which I think can make you good money. Yeah. Anyway guys, that is it for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And also guys, follow me on Instagram at Saradu.